If it's your first time here, I'm Arash, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to fix the brown leaves in your Dracaena Compacta. In previous video we talked about why this happens and you are gonna know how to fix them. Dracaena Compacta, a plant from Africa which is ultimate introvert. If you give them too much water or sunlight, they will just stress out and get brown. So it's all about keeping them in cool shade and giving the right amount of water. So without further ado, let's just start the video. First, check if the soil is dry. To do this, just stick your finger about an inch, and if the soil is dry, just water the plant. And if it's not, don't water yet. For example, this plant needs water, so we just give it some water and just fill the whole pot with water. Make sure that your plant do not get indirect sunlight. Dracaena loves bright but indirect light. If it's too sunny, just move it to a spot where it gets indirect sunlight, but make sure that the whole environment is at least gets a little bit of bright light. If your home is dry, you can mist the plant every few days, or just place a small dish of water near the planet, just to make sure that the environment is have at least a little minimum of humidity, so that its leaves don't get brown. Use a clean scissor to carefully cut off the brown parts of the leaves. Just cut off the brown parts and leave the green part alive. For example, you just need to cut off the brown part from here, and yes, just look at how I cut this, the brown part from the leaf. If your plant's roots are tangled and or coming out of the soil, it's time to repot. And just make sure that you use one size bigger pot for your plant, and also make sure that do not use heavy soil, since it's one of the main reasons that make Dracaena's leaves brown. And one more very important tip that I want to give you today is to make sure to water your plant, that it gets out of your pot. This is the way you make sure that you gave enough water to your Dracaena Compacta. Once you start following these very simple tips, your plants would start getting better every day. And just remember, this plant does not need that much care, just the right amount, not too much, not too little. And we are done for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, I will be really grateful if you just hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.